Well, as a planet walker, my aspirations are that even though I don't know what the outcome is, I aspire that the walk, my learning, and my interactions with people and the land, and as we are all the environment, that the outcome is something outrageous, and I mean righteous for all of us. So I'm really happy to begin here at the Cape of Good Hope, to make the first steps on a journey that will take me through South Africa and through the rest of Africa, the continent, to Khartoum, and eventually out through Egypt and through the Nile. And there's no more for me to say. I'm going to be quiet now and start walking. So thanks again for being here.